Managing high-performance data portals can be complex. But with the right hosting solution, it doesn't have to be. If your platform struggles with performance, scalability, or security, Link Digital has the answer. Introducing Managed Hosting for CCAN and Drupal-powered websites. Built on enterprise-grade infrastructure, these hosting services ensure consistent performance, high availability, and rapid scalability. We provide 3 primary tiers of hosting to support small, medium, and large website requirements. These tiers can also be customized to suit your needs. We provide a complete cloud infrastructure as a service solution, including support, maintenance, and expert account management. Security and reliability are our priorities, and our hosting offers a high-quality, secure, and managed platform for your data portal. Scale, secure, and simplify your data portal's hosting with Link Digital.